Hello everyone, we made it to Hanoi. So yesterday we took a 10-hour drive and we got dropped off in the outskirts of Hanoi. The bus driver just said, no, off. So we all hopped off. We were walking literally at 4 a.m. trying to find a hotel. So we booked the Airbnb. We'll be heading there now and we'll start the day off when we're in the city center because right now we're in the outskirts. Hello, didn't expect to see you here. Come in, let's check out our new apartment. So if you look here on the left, we'll see my personal toilet here. We have a toilet, we have a sink, we have all these luxurious amenities, like we're living rich today. Let's come over here to our kitchen. See, we have a sink here, we have a stove. This is like luxurious for us. And if you come up here, we have a fan for the stove. Right, we have a fridge. Like nothing here yet, like we haven't really been to the shop yet, so don't judge us yet. So if you step inside here, you'll see my room. A nice wee double bed just for me, you know, the king. Let's make our way down to the living room / dining area. So this is the dining table. We have the living room, we have your Vega here. We have a TV, an old one, but still a TV. And if you want to step here to the right, we'll see F-Command's and Yavega's room. They have a big room. And they have their own personal bathroom. I mean, yeah, we're not gonna explore that, that's not mine. If you make your way down here, we also have a balcony. Come out. And if you look, we have the view of Hanoi. We're not really in the city center, but we're sort of part of the city. So yeah, this is our apartment and let's head out and explore Hanoi. We have made it out to Hanoi City and this is a first for me. I wasn't expecting to be wearing a jumper and my cargo trousers in Asia. This is bizarre for me. So let's go explore the city of Hanoi. So we have the Hanoi city skyline behind me. And I was always looking for something that would remind me of New York, and I think we finally got something. Something like city skylines I always look forward to because it brings like joy to my heart just seeing the city. But now let's actually go inside the city. What's poppin', man? You wanna do really quick bump? Nah, we mean no harm, man. Back to his natural habitat. Right, so we're just trying to find some food to eat for some breakfast. This will be like my first proper meal of the day.
I got a fucking burger from Circle K and it was disgusting. It was £1.
Don't get the burgers from Circle K. We turned off the main road and came onto a side street. This is where you find all the markets, all the food, so let's hope we find some breakfast. So I decided to get some fries here. They look really nice because we've been walking the whole way and I couldn't find any normal food that I actually enjoyed. I'm just gonna get back home and then we'll order some grab food. So I got my fries. There's not that much in here. I did pay like 60p for this, but the fries are unreal. The seasoning they use is something different. When I've come on tasted them, how was it?
It was amazing. It was something new. I haven't tried fries that are that type of style, but it was definitely worth it.
Like, look at them. They look just so delicious. So I'm gonna eat this here, get back home, and then order some grab food. Right, so we just ordered some grab food. Yavega already got her Burger King. She's been way ahead of the game. Edva got Domino's, and they don't look the biggest, but we'll eat them anyways, and hopefully it fills me up. This is gonna be the end of the video, so see you on the next one.